Hey, Dimensional here. What would a drone look like but made by AI? Well, having a prompt to be a drone that has never before been seen yielded this result, which was definitely interesting. I then started generating even more and got a few landscape results from the air since it thought I was talking about views from a drone. As a result, it took me a bit to realize I need to specify drone design in the prompt. Once I did so, Midjourney started producing some very interesting drones. And here's some of my favorites, though I don't think all of them can fly. So after I'd created those unique drones with Midjourney, I actually got access to Dream Studio, where I tried 2 images and got this. Yeah, a very interesting and definitely more realistic look than Midjourney's, which just goes to show that Midjourney is more artistic and Dream is more realistic. Well, Dimensional out and adios.